Domingo Quason Cruz, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Don't be such a bully. You know, for me, I'm not a bully too. Even Teacher May, if she's a bully, she's no longer to be a bully. Or there's lots of bully everywhere in the schools, even in social media. But for me, Mark Cruz, your profanity words and your English foul languages, you call me an fuck you call me an asshole. That is foul languages. If you wanted to say to you, Christian Mengito, I am telling you that Mark Cruz is saying bad words. Why he say bad words? He copied that all the bad words anyway from the action movies. Like Sylvester Stallone and also Jason Statham in Expandables. At least I never use my bad words anyway from Dolph Lundgren and also Jet Li and Stone Cold that I mentioned by Paulo Cuba, favorite of WWE wrestler team. Oh, that favorite is Stone Cold. Yeah, Stone Cold, Steve Austin. Oh, Steve Austin never say bad words. Oh, it's Sylvester Stallone, Dolph Lundgren, and even Jet Li and also other actors in Hollywood like Mark Wahlberg. They say bad words. Oh, but Jackie Chan, I remember, he never say bad words. Even Jet Li, that favorite of Paulo Cuba and Stone Cold named Steve Austin, they never say bad words. The reason why this guy Mark Cruz is saying bad words. Remember Klaus? Oh, when you watch action movies uh, like Philip Salvador and Bong Revilla, he say a bad word, G-A-G-O. Oh, that's the word gago word. So, and he says about P-I word or putang ina words. That's a bad word that he said from Klaus. He was scolded by Teacher Mirna. Oh, you know, this is hard to say, Mark Cruz and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Enough about bad words. You know, Mark Cruz, when you say bad words, your parents did not raise you up. Di ka pinalaki ng mga magulang mo, Mark Cruz. Yan ka talaga magmura, like you say about bad words, you say about F you. What was Mark Cruz said the time? Fuck you, oh. That's a bad word. You know, Mark Cruz, limit your bad words anyway. Me, like Rodrigo Duterte, when he say bad words, he limit only bad words. Me, I limit my bad words too. Oh, I say to you, Mark Cruz, and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, both of you. Oh, I say to both of you, don't say bad words. Oh, that's not right thing to say bad words in social media. Facebook, Messenger, or Instagram, or Threads, they prohibited bad words, Mark Cruz. That's why Meta will going to ban you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. That's why J-Rick says to me, pag nagmura ka pa ng kung ano-ano, like I said, you will be banned in social media. That's why you should never say bad words. Like me, I always say I play Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Like I remember the character is Captain Price, Barry Swain. No, I remember that actor when he say bad words. Oh, I didn't copy the bad words. Oh, me when I say bad words at Lemon, when she say an F word, she destroyed the box of lechon, and she start a lots of mess. I discipline Lemon. Oh, I never say, I always say bad words at Lemon. I always discipline Lemon. To teach her a good lesson. Me, I never say bad words. Oh, in social media. That is a sign of cause of cyberbullying. You know, Mark Cruz, I say to you, whenever you say, when Roylan Marlang ad telling you, wag ka na magmura sa social media. Just like I said to you, daming naiinis sa'yo. Like I said, you say about bad words, you say about F-U-C-K. Don't say bad words. Look at John Timothy Trevino. Oh, did he say bad words in social media? No. He doesn't want to get in trouble. Oh, like Kuya MA, he never say bad words in Instagram or even in threads. Oh, he never say bad words. Your bad words anyway, Mark Rose, is the problem. You're imitating for the action movies from Sylvester Stallone and Jason Statham in Expandables. I mean, when I watch Expandables, the movie, the Expandables 4, me and my dad, we watched Expandables. That was starring with Sylvester Stallone, Jason Statham, and Dolph Lundgren, and Tony Jaa, and Megan Fox. I watch Expandables 4. Oh, it's inspired like Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Oh, actions in military. Oh, at least they never say, I never say bad words in that film. It's just an action movie. Oh, I mean, I never say bad words in social media. For what I'm saying, Mark Cruz, I am warning you. Even Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, both of you, even you're saying about bomb threat, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan says about PI, putang ina words. Even Mark Cruz, he calls me and fuck you words. That is really a bad words in social media. You know that, Mark Cruz. I'm telling you, you didn't raise by your siblings. I told your sister, I said, the sister of Mark Cruz who was graduated in San Pedro, in the colleges in Laguna, in San Pedro. You know, Mark Cruz, when Jared Dino and Christian Mengito says to you, you need to stop you need to stop saying bad words. If I want to sign a deal with you, Mark Cruz, if I want to stop bugging you, all you need to do, you need to stop saying bad words. Alright? In social media. Look at Paulo Cruzada. He was scolded by his parents for saying bad words in social media like Messenger, in Facebook. Oh, it is very nice to say bad words in social media, Mark Cruz. And you call me the word in threads, what is that? Asshole word? Mark Cruz, have a shame to yourself. Look at me, when I say bad words to Nanay Ning Ning, in my content blog, Nanay Ning Ning had said to me, my Nanay Ning Ning had complained also. She's complaining to my dad also that I say bad words. Oh, that's I say to Nanay Ning Ning, I comment in Instagram that you are an asshole. All Germans are very stupid. Oh, I was offended to Nanay Ning Ning. Oh, when I made my YouTube video last 2024, before the US election, after Donald Trump was elected, I apologized, Nanay Ning Ning, when I made my YouTube blog, when I talked with Ate Isa. And after that, I talked with Nanay Ning Ning during in Christmas Day. We talk about cars. Oh, I never say bad words. You're the one who say bad words. Mark Cruz, Instagram, you say bad word. If I'm just like MG, Mark Cruz, you are Francis Leo Marcos, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, you need to stop saying bad words. In my content anyway, in my YouTube video, aside of video games, aside from the action movies, you need to stop saying bad words. Me, when I watch Expandables, from Sylvester Stallone and Jason Statham. I never say bad words. Oh. When I watch Coco Martin, Batang Quiapo, oh, did I say bad words? Did I say about GAGO? Did I say about those words are foul languages? I never supposed to say that. In Itbulaga, Mark Cruz, the MTRCB reprimand Wally Bayola for saying bad words. Oh, Wally Bayola had to apologize for his cursing bad words. Oh, the PI word. But you, Mark Cruz, if you like Sam Rascal, if you're a fan of TBJ like Tito Soto, Vic Soto, or Joey De Leon, if you like TBJ, just then you need to stop saying bad words. That's all that matter, Mark Cruz. The TBJ, Itbulaga, I was told by J. Rick Silva, sabi sa akin ni J. Rick, he said to me, the bad words in Itbulaga, it's prohibited. TBJ is just like Miss Earth. Oh, TBJ is just like of Itbulaga, it's just like CDIFI. Oh, even it's just like a private school or other school like St. Joseph, Siena College, that was a school of Giardino. Oh, they prohibited bad words. Oh, they prohibited because they don't like bad words. If I were you, Mark Cruz, you need to limit with your bad words. You know, my mom said to me that your bad words anyway, Mark Cruz, it came from in movies from Jason Statham and Sylvester Stallone. I'm telling you, Mark Cruz, when you say bad words, if I want to stop bugging you, Mark Cruz, then you need to stop cursing me a bad word. If we are enemies, Mark Cruz, if you call me an asshole, I will retaliate you, Mark Cruz. I will not say bad words. I will bash you in my YouTube video. I will bash you in my threads, in Instagram. I will lecture you that what you are saying bad words is not really good. And I will lecture you, Mark Cruz. Believe me, I will lecture you. Because your family members, they didn't discipline you. Your parents did not discipline you, Mark Cruz. This is why Juan Carlo Pabale had stay away from you, because you are creating lots of trouble. You are a troublemaker, Mark Cruz. For what you did to Dan Mardayaw, or what you did to Cedric Mariano, or what you did to J. Rick Silva, you curse him an F word, or what you did to me, that you call me an asshole. Is this a kind of person that he never caused the lots of trouble? This man has no respect in social media. I believe that Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz is a Marcos loyalist. He's not really Duterte supporter. I say to you, Christian Mingito, hindi po yan DDS si Mark Cruz. Maka Marcos yan, like I said. You know, I'm just saying to you, Christian Mingito, that Mark Domingo Cruz is a Marcos loyalist and he's an anti-Duterte. And he says bad words. Oh, many times. He will be happen just like Jesus Palsis. Oh, when he say bad words in Twitter, in X. And he was suspended by Supreme Court and he was disbarred. For saying bad words in social media. We're saying bad words. It's not really good. Oh, Mark Cruz, don't say bad words. Have you never lectured from Ronald Rebena and Teacher May? Have you not been lectured from Teacher May's, what's that? Social media etiquette from Teacher May Tiburcio about how to use Messenger, how to use Instagram or Threads. Do not say bad words, Mark Cruz. Have mercy to yourself. Have mercy to your family. You know, when you say bad words, that is a cause of cyberbullying. Oh, Juan Carlo Pabale had reported me, and he said to me, this Mark Cruz is saying bad words. Nagmumura pala to si Mark Cruz. Kung ano-anong pinagmumura niya, like I said, it's not really good to say bad words. Oh, social media like Facebook, it's nothing to post any bad words, Mark Cruz. Even Instagram and Facebook. Even Threads, it's not appropriate. You know, Meta is prohibiting bad words. Oh, just like I was told by J. Rick Silva. Like me, when I use Facebook, oh, did I say bad words? No, I never want to intention to say bad words. But for you, Mark Cruz, when I was told by the by J. Rick Silva, that is an online defamation, Mark Cruz. That is a cyber libel. You attack Ryan Chris Lucero, you attack Juan Carlo Pabale, you attack your other enemies, even Eliza De La Cruz and J.D. Sagala. Eliza De La Cruz had told me, even J.D. Sagala, one of the arch enemy of Mark Cruz, have told me. I say to them, if you see Mark Cruz in Instagram or Facebook, just block him. That's why Tita Maggie Ganti had claimed to you, maliit kasing titi mo, Mark Cruz. Dahil ka nagmumura. Oh, when Maggie Ganti says to you, she say to you, what is that Tita Maggie says to me? Tita Maggie Ganti says, online defamation yan, cyber libel yan, like she said to me. Oh, that is a cyber libel. Oh, you don't know what is online defamation, Mark Cruz, when you're using vulgar language. You know, Mark Cruz, don't say bad words. Look at Kuya Rodelio Daguman when he cursed me a bad word sa PI. Oh, about what is that? Putang ina words. Oh. Kuya Rodelio Daguman apologized to me, even my family. I forgive Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Oh, I never want to argue with him. I don't want to feud with him. I don't want to accuse him many times. I don't want to say bad words. I forgive him too. Oh. But for you, Mark Cruz, don't say bad words. If I want to tell this to Kapitana Salonga, Mark Cruz, in November, it's a barangay election in here in Caloocan. I will tell to Kapitana Salonga that my evidence there, that what does Mark Cruz is saying about death threats, oh, even bad words many times. I will file the cases against you, Mark Cruz. Oh, you want that? If I want to talk to the lawyer, Attorney Basa, or I will talk to the uncle of David Gill, Joel Perer, I will file the cases against you, Mark Cruz. I will sue against you. I have a lots of lawsuit against you, Mark Cruz. I can file any kind of lawsuit that you are cursing me a bad words in social media, Instagram or Threads. You know, for you, Mark Cruz, have a shame to yourself. Even you, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, don't say about bad words, about PI in Tagalog words, because it's really hurt and it's really offended. I don't want to say bad words too.